Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Backup and Sync Replacement on 2026, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Google Drive website. Look for the section that states download or get Drive for desktop. Click on the appropriate link to start. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the application on your computer. After installation, open the Google Drive application. Sign in using your Google account credentials. Once signed in, you will see options to sync files and folders. Select the folders you wish to sync with your Google Drive. Adjust any additional settings according to your preferences. Click on the Start or Sync button to begin the backup process. Monitor the syncing progress in the application's interface. After the initial sync is complete, you can access your files through the Google Drive folder on your computer. To ensure everything is working correctly, check if your files appear in Google Drive Online. For any adjustments, revisit the application settings at any time. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section within the application. Make sure to periodically check for updates to keep your application running smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.